Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Alright, first up, my people. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a lot of roaches was found at where a person who is said to be a vendor was at. Now, viewers and subscribers, the video shows some things that some people call sweet peppers and tomatoes. You can also see other things in the video as well, viewers and subscribers. You can also hear persons talking in the video, viewers and subscribers. Now, I think it would be best if you look and listen to the video for yourself. There's a message, my people. Oh, and please bear in mind that this video shows what some people call insects. So, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Lift up them to know. Which one you lift up while against the road? See that? Alright. Miss, excuse her for the car. This is not, just excuse her for the car. Please and thank you. Excuse her for the car.
Now, Phil. Just go on.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. God. 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 Yeah. Yeah.
So this is a card for one of the vendors that is vending around by the market. She was held on the sidewalk. I've taken a card for this vendor already, and as you can see, this cart is infested with roach. This cart is infested with roach. This is what we are talking about. This cart is infested with roach. So I want everybody to see, look at what we are dealing with out there. The cart is infested with roach. Roach. This cart has a roach infestation. Yes?
Wow.
See? Roach
Look there.
all over the place. This cart will not be going back on the road.
Wow. Wow.
So the items here infested with roach. So these are the things that we're talking about. That is out there.
Truth and right, my people. If you go buy and sell, think about your customers, them help, man. Oh, yo, that look at it, man. I said, me, that's what I'm telling you. No matter when me buy anything, when you in food or things for eating, you know. You see me, I say, me careful. If a vegetable and certain things, me wash them proper. Me wash them properly. You must wash your fruits and your vegetables, them wash them properly, because me I tell my people, you see that in the video right there, so. Now, here's another thing now what I realize about this video. You see me I say, because a person who can hear talking in the video have a voice that sounds similar to someone's voice. But based on some words that the person saying in the video, it had me wondering who was actually talking in that video. You see me I say, to be honest, I mean I really want to say certain things that have been said on social media about the video, because I realize certain information or certain things that have been said on social media about the video might not be accurate, might not even be true. You understand? I'm not saying that this person is that person, but tell me who you think this person's voice sound like, and listen to what the person said at the same time. Listen.
So I want everybody to see, look at what we are dealing with out there. The cart is infested with roach.
Say what the person say. You understand? I mean, I call no name because me just assume and so forth. But I think that person's voice sound like somebody who I think a lot of people talk about sometimes. Yes, I mean I say. But you can let me know what you think. Tell me whose voice you think you're hearing in the video, and who you think that person sounds like. And to another topic now, my people. Here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a certain amount of persons inside of a motor vehicle. Now, in the video, a person who was driving the motor vehicle said some words that gave me the understanding that the person asked someone who you can see in the video if the person want pay the person with egg. So I assume that there was some form of service that was going on. You understand me? I think it would be best if you look at this video for yourself. Observe, my people. Observe for yourself. Look and listen.
Drive. You take eggs? Yeah, change. You take eggs? You know how much you shot up? What you want to pay me? Yeah. How much? 3 eggs? No, here. That's right.
One egg you want to give me, man?
But it's still something, right?
Let's take off the road.
I don't have 10. We'll take it.
Drop your cut off.
Yeah, we'll take it with the egg then. We'll take it here. We'll drop now then. We'll drop now. Pull aside. Pull aside.
You want to pay me with egg?
Hey, I feel uncomfortable in this car, boy.
You feel this car for a egg?
Hey, yeah, what's going on now? Look, the crate egg here. Right here. Take it.
Leave it to me, man.
A record. My people, now, the reason why me explain about that video certain ways is because me not gonna repeat the bad word that the person saying in the video. You see me, but think about it. See, you do something as some form of service for someone, expecting to be paid by cash, but instead the person actually give you egg or pay you with egg or eggs. But people, like, for real, how that sound? Remember, no, if me go, like, for example, me go work for money. Me never tell nobody say I'm going to work for food. That, my people, I wonder if a joke that whole situation was. You know, I wonder if a some from a joke that was, because believe me, that's set away right there. So let me know what you think about that situation there. And by the way, that video was out on social media for some time now, see? And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, my people, I'm going to present another video to you, and this video is going to show a motor vehicle that somehow went off-road and into bushes, viewers and subscribers. See me, I say, I don't know how this motor vehicle that I can see in the video somehow end up in bushes. And to be honest, it like the motor vehicle, they're down at a certain distance, like they're down certain ways in bushes. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? And you look away. I didn't get any confirmed information to determine if anyone had been injured or if there was any fatality. You know, I didn't even get any information as to how this whole thing happened. Even I don't even get information as to when the video will be recorded. But I want to look at the video and tell me what I think. The video had been put on social media, and I hope that this video can help bring some form of awareness to each and every motorist. Take time on your drive and be careful when you drive. You understand? Anyway, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Look at people. Yeah, man. Can't walk off the road, I go down the bush, down listen to. Bush.
Can't walk. They didn't pay that part, man. Well.
I don't care walk, I go down the bush, down as people.
Alright, my people, let me say this. From me, know myself, I was told that people drive motor vehicle. See me? Now, to be honest, hearing this person say the word walk had me thinking. You see me? I say, but you don't know, you have some people who will turn words and certain situations by putting certain words and puns together and say certain things. You see me? I say, so just please bear in mind that, you know, that might be one of them situations there. You know, just a person that say certain things. But on a real though, I only hope that there was not any form of bad things that happened to anyone pertaining to that situation, because that look away right there. So, as I say, yeah, look away right there. So, zoom in here, so I see yes, so. Oh, you see, man, it look away right there, so I don't know. I don't have any confirmed information as to what exactly happened. I don't have any confirmed information as to how many persons might have been inside of the motor vehicle. But me just hope for the best. Really and truly hope for the best. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.